Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the rainbow shining bright, one for the sun so warm and light, one for the moon up high at night. Baa baa, colorful sheep. Vet the red wool, soft and sweet, red wool for tiny feet. Orange wool, cozy too, orange wool for me and you. Yellow wool, bright like the sun, weave a blanket, oh what fun! Baa baa, colorful sheep, thank you for your wool. Soft and warm, so bright and cool. Baa baa, colorful sheep. Green wool, soft as grass, wear it when you run and pass. Blue wool, like the sea, wrap it round and laugh with glee. Purple wool for a hat, put it on, imagine that. Pink wool, fluffy and sweet, make a scarf to keep the cold